guys, welcome back to another episode. This is Max and this is Real Estate Maximized. So you've been playing golf. You've played golf in Pueblo, you've played golf in Del Monte, and you've practiced in Patag. Now it's time to experience a new golf course in Mindanao. This is Talakag Golf and Country Club. Let's go. So nandito tayo today guys in Talakag Bukidnon. That's roughly about 45 minutes from uptown Cagayan de Oro, and we are here in Talakag Golf Sports and Country Club. So they're about to open, they're about to launch, and experience natin itong new golf course. I think this is a precision course where power meets accuracy. So laro tayong golf today. Nice. You can see guys, it's very scenic here. That one, yung nakikita nyo, that's Mount Apo. Hindi. Ay, ano pala? Ha? Mount Kitanglad pala. Welcome to Bukidnon. Meron silang horses here. Beautiful horse. So, as you can see, it's a very relaxing course. Kung nature lover ka, ay, napakaganda naman talaga dito. Look at that. Hole number 9. So yung target natin dito guys is yung poste. As you can see, no flag, hindi mo makita. So dog right, 150 yards using 3 wood.
Par 5 to.
Par 5. Tingnan natin.
Good. Fairway yun.
Nice.
Fairway yun.
Fairway.
Dito tayo nagland. Middle of the fairway. Ayan oh. Beautiful. Ayun yung flag. Ayun oh. This is around mga 80. So it's a good day to play golf pala. The last time I played was like 5 months ago. But may asim pa tayo guys. Let's go. Woohoo! Birdie to! This could possibly be our first birdie for 2026. Chamba-chamba lang yan. Sana ma-shoot. Yes! Birdie! So hole number 10, par 4. Remember, this course, you have to be very careful kasi narrow siya. This is a precision course. That's where you're gonna need your power and accuracy. So tingnan natin kung meron tayo nun.
Good.
Ganda.
So gumita na naman tayo sa fairway. Tumamba na naman tayo.
Good.
Beautiful day. Blessed by beautiful weather today. May mga horses pa oh. I think yung variety of horses dito is Appaloosa and Quarter. Thoroughbred. And meron din silang Australian horses. Australian.
Good.
Woo!
Kaya.
Okay, green. Hole number 13, par 3. Practice muna.
Kulang aban. Yun, humiko. Kulang.
Green. Green.
Green ba?
Look at this course. courses that they have here in Mindanao. And syempre, today, walang naglalaro sa likod natin. So walang pressure. And we're just having fun with all the trees, grass, and fun under the sun. O, di ba? Happy Sunday, guys. Nakulan po yan. Wala. Okay. Patting for par. It's a beautiful day. May spider.
Nice.
Beautiful, beautiful day.
Good.
Good. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Good. Ganda. Beautiful. We're about to finish playing. Kita nyo naman, ganda ng course na to kasi tatawid-tawid ko sa mga bundok. And we're going down the river. Dun yung kanilang signature hole. Let's go. Ayan yung river, guys. So can you see that? Dun tayo. Papalo. Excited na ako to try this hole. Down here na sa signature hole at that's the river. Andun yung hole. So, try natin itawid. Ganda oh. Wow. Tayo papalo. Sa awa ng Diyos, nakatawid naman tayo, guys. Ang challenge nandito, the stairs. Yan oh. So, if you're not fit, kakakit ka pa rin naman. At sinasabi ko lang, get fit. Sa taas oh. Wow. Yan yung greens. Ganda no?
Fast.
Okay guys, that concludes our tour for today. So, naka 18 holes tayo and yes, this course has 18 holes. Kasi hiningal ako. Yung course is very challenging in terms of if you're the kind of player na sanay pumalo ng malakas and not really looking at your precision, this is the course that's gonna challenge you. Kasi your power, and I mean you, I'm looking at you, guilty ka dyan. Kung sino ka man, malakas ka lang pumalo pero wala kang precision, I challenge you to play here and see if you really know how to play golf because this is what you call course management. Hindi palakasan dito, pagalingan ng placement ng bola. So this is Max, thank you for watching and this is Real Estate Maximized. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!